Welcome students. Now today we are going to the practical, that is the impact value of a aggregate. The impact value of a aggregate is required to determine the strength of the aggregate to the sudden impact load or the resistance against the impact load, and generally they are required in case of the road pavement. So the aggregate which are used in case of the road work, they are subjected to the impact load due to the various activities. So we have to determine the impact value or the resistance of the aggregate to the impact load, so as to check the suitability of this aggregate in a road construction or other construction. For this practical, we have to take the sieve, that is 12 mm and 10 mm. And we have to put the aggregate into the 12 mm sieve at the top, and then we have to receive it, and the aggregate passing to the 12 mm and written on 10 mm are taken for the practical. So firstly we have to receive it. So by continuously sieving 10 to 15 minutes, we can get the aggregate that is written in a 10 mm sieve. So these are the aggregates which are written in a 10 mm IS sieve. So the aggregate passing to 10 and written on 10 are taken for the test. Then we have to put this cup on a weighing machine, make it 0, and fill this written aggregate into the cup so as to take the weight of a sample for testing. So fill the aggregate into this cup, approximately level the top surface. Take the weight of the aggregate, that is 622 grams. So these are the weight of the aggregate taken for the test sample. Then we go for the impact testing machine. Okay, this is the impact testing machine. Here we get a reading on the top, the number of impact we have to be given to the aggregate, set to the 0, and after applying the impact, then we get a here reading. Next is, it is the handles are provided to give this load, and the aggregate to be tested are placed in this cup. So we have placed the aggregate into the cup. This is the hammer and handles for lifting the hammer. We have to lift this hammer and then apply the load for 15 times. So we have to be apply this load from top to bottom, that is impact load, for 15 times.
380 mm वरून पडतो 30 mm. तर 15 वेळा त्याचा ब्लू. थांबा,
ठीक आहे.
खाली सोडा.
Okay.
नाही नाही, इथनं पॉज केलं काय तुम्ही?
Single. Okay. Stop. First of all, these are the aggregate which are taken after applying the 15 blows, that is the impact load, then we have to receive this aggregate to 2.36 mm ISU. So this is the sieve size, 2.36 mm with the pan. We have to receive this aggregate. Then these are the aggregate or the particles which are passing to the 2.36 mm ISU. Then we have to be taking the weight.
वजन करा सकते हो नहीं ये देखिए it is 16 gram.
Then this is the weight of the aggregate, 16 gram passing through the 2.36 mm ISU. Then in next we go for the calculation. Okay. Okay. Welcome students. After practical work, we go for the observation table, that is the calculation of impact value from the readings or the observation taken by the practical. So observation table containing the serial number, particulars, reading number 1, 2 and 3. Serial number first with the weight of the O1 dry sample taken as W1 in gram. Second, that is weight of fraction passing through IS 2.36 mm sieve, that is weight of aggregate passing from 2.36 mm sieve taken as W2 in gram. And last, weight of fraction, that is aggregate retained on IS 2.36 mm taken as W3 gram. So for practical, we taken the weight of the sample, that is a dry sample W1 as 622 gram. Then weight of the aggregate passing through 2.36 mm are 16 gram, and retained on ISU 2.36 mm are 606 gram. So these are the observation for the practical we conducted. Second and third observations are also taken, that is weight of aggregate 600 passing 20 gram and retain 580 gram. And last one, weight of sample taken 618 gram passing 18 gram and retain 600 gram. So these are the observations for the aggregate impact values. Go for the calculation. Then there is a aggregate impact value is calculated W2 upon W1 into 100. That is W2 means weight of fraction passing through 2.36 mm ISU. Aggregate value is equal to W2, that is the weight of aggregate passing through 2.36 mm ISU, divided by weight of fraction, weight of O1 dry sample, that is W1. So for reading number first, W2, that is weight of fraction passing through 2.36 mm sieve is 16. W1, weight of O1 dry sample, it is 622 for reading number 1. So for calculation, W2 16 divided by W1 622. So after calculation, we can get the value of 2.57, that is 16 divided by 622, W2 upon W1 into 100, 2.57. The aggregate impact value is calculated in terms of percentage. So first value is 2.57. Same for the second reading, that is 20 divided by 600, it is 3.33. And for last, 18 divided by 618, that is 2.91. So these are the three rings are taken for the practical. Then calculate the average aggregate impact value. So the aggregate impact value in average in average is equal to addition of these three value 1 plus 2 plus 3 and divided by 3, that is 2.57 plus 3.33 plus 2.91 divided by 3, we can get the value is 2.93. So the aggregate impact value is 2.93 percentage. For our work, the aggregate having the impact value less than 30% are suitable for the wearing surfaces or the road surfaces, and the aggregate having the impact value less than 50% are suitable for the other type of the concreting work. So it is all about the calculation of impact value of an aggregate. Hope you understand the practical and the observation table with the calculation. Okay, thank you.